Bekulindeleke ukuthi u-Ackerman azi ngekusasa lakhe kodwa ijaji belinokuvuvukala emphinjeni. Manje selizokwethula isinqumo esingamaphepha ngamashumi ngomsombuluko ozayo.
I have the judgment. I've shown you it's available. It's pretty lengthy and I have to read everything. I have a slight throat inflammation. And for that reason, I'll give judgment on Monday.
U-Ackerman ungene ebhokisini lofakazi ezikhulumela nabezindaba ethi yena umsulwa.
I've never been malicious, I've never harmed anyone, I've never done anything wrong to anybody.
Izinhlangano ezilwa nokuhlukunyezwa ezithi amazwi ka-Ackerman akhombisa ukuthi akazisoli nakancane.
It's a huge level of kind of denial around his part in it. So he believes everybody else is at fault but him. So that was the legal defense. Now, in terms of the psychology of it, or his thought process, he's created a world where he denies that he did something wrong. He denies that it's affected the children negatively and the families negatively. He denies that he's responsible for everything. And what that means is the most important thing to understand about what that means is that his chance at rehabilitation is extremely poor.
Umbuso wabiza ofakazi abangama-20 abayishumi bayizisulu. Omunye uPhumelo Bala wathi unegciwane lesandulela ngculazi.